YouTube channel, King's Tutoring. This is actually my very first YouTube video. I've been wanting to start a YouTube channel for a while now, and I initially thought that I wanted to do a cooking channel, but as I really contemplated it, I thought maybe it'd be better if I promote my business that I already have. I'm an online English teacher, and I teach students in China English. And I was thinking I could do this for myself and broaden my business. So, voila, here we are. You probably came across my channel because you want to learn Spanish. Well, I'm the teacher to teach you. My lessons are going to be easy, and within a few weeks, I'll have you starting to speak and read in Spanish. I also offer one-on-one lessons. There's a YouTube video down below that I'll link to this channel where it can give you a little taste of what my one-on-one instructions will be like. I also have a website, www.kingstutoring.org, where you can check out more information. All right, let's begin. Okay, I would like to begin this lesson with learning the Spanish vowels. So, Spanish vowels are very similar to English. A, E, I, O, U. So we have A. We will pronounce this ah. Ah. The next vowel, E. We pronounce this E. E. The next one, I. We pronounce it E. E. The next vowel, O. We pronounce this O. O. Good. And the last one is U. We pronounce this U. U. Good. All right, all together. A, E, I, O, U. Good job. Okay, ways to remember. Here's some words that we can remember. Avión. Avión. Good. That means airplane. Elefante. Elefante. Elephant. Idioma. Idioma. Good. Language. We have O. Octubre. Octubre. October. And the last one. Uvas. Uvas. Grapes. Good job! Next, we will work on our alphabet. El alfabeto español. I'm going to go ahead and pronounce each of these letters. So Spanish has 27 letters. These are digraphs, which are no longer considered letters in the Spanish alphabet. All right, let's begin. A. B. C. D. E. F.
G,
H. I. J. K. L. M. N. Ñ. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Muy bien. Okay. And now we have
Digraphs.
ours. They're pronounced this way. Che. Elle. R. Very good. Finally, let's do our numbers. We'll work on learning numbers 1 through 10 in Spanish. Los números del 1 al 10 en español. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Muy bien. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you do, please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!